Today we're going to show you how to join Imperial poly pipe to MDPE pipe using the Philmac 3G metric Imperial compression fitting. What tools will you need for the job? The Philmac 3G metric Imperial compression fitting, Imperial and MDPE poly pipe.
What we'll do today is demonstrate how to join a 3G metric Imperial joiner. In this case it's 25mm by 3/4 inch Imperial to a 3/4 BS low density D piece of pipe. It's important just to ensure that there are a couple of threads that are visible on the joiner, and it's a matter of drawing the Imperial pipe up into the fitting, pushing it all the way home until you'll feel the first point of resistance, and then tightening the nut by hand as far as you can go. Then using your pipe wrenches, just tighten the nut firmly. You'll note here that the face of the nut does not meet the flange of the body. That's because the 3/4 Imperial pipe is actually larger in diameter than the MDPE pipe.